small letter formation in recursive format. Let me first introduce you to Clever Cat. As you can see, the Clever Cat has a head, a body and a tail. So if you see here, the head is in the top red and the blue line. The body is in between the two blue lines, and the tail goes down from the bottom blue line to the red line. So according to where the letter is written, we will give the name of the letter for it to be head, body or tail. So let's begin writing our letters. We're going to start off with the first letter, that is the letter K. How do we write the letter K? We start from a little bit down from the blue line and we draw a curve and come down and a curve. This is the letter K. Okay. Now this letter there are many letters which begin with the same letter formation. So let's check the next letter which also begins with the K. This letter is A. So we start from here, we draw a K, then we go up and we come down and we give a small curve upward, and this is our letter A. Okay, the next letter that we're going to see is the letter O. Again, it's starting with a K. So we start off with a K and we go up to complete the circle, and that becomes the letter O. Now the next letter we're going to see is the letter G. Again, it starts off with a K, but it's a little different here. It goes up and it goes down with the tail. So something that you would have noticed already in this video is that when we are writing small letters, we don't tend to take the pencil out in between the letter. Okay, we will always keep the pencil on the book itself, right? So this K, A and O are all called body letters, but the G goes down, so it is a body letter and a tail letter. So both of the letters together it is. Now let's go to the next letter, which is a Q. So again we start off with a K, but we go up just like a G, then we go down, but there is a slight difference here. We have to give a slanting line. So this becomes the letter Q. Again it is a body letter with a tail letter. Now the next letter we are going to see is the letter D. So again we start off with a K, then we go up till the red line, and we come down, 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 and we give a small curve, and that is the letter D for you. Now the next letter we are going to see is the letter A. A starts off with a sleeping line, and then we draw a K. So this is the letter A. Now let's begin with the next set of letters. Okay, we start off with the letter B. B, as you can see, B is a head letter. It starts off from the top. It starts off from the top red line. It's a straight line coming down, and then we go up along the same line and give it a big belly, and that is the letter B. Now the next letter that we're going to see is the letter. Very easy to write. You have to start a little bit below the top red line and you give a curve, come down to the blue line and give a sleeping line. Both these letters are head and body letters. Now the next letter we are going to see is the letter E. E, E, Inky the mouse. We start off from the blue line, come down and give a small upward curve and a dot on the top. That is the letter E. So this letter is only a body letter. Next we go to the letter J. How will we write this letter? We start from the blue line and we go down to the red line and give a curve upward and give a dot on top. So as you can see, this letter is a body letter and a tail letter. It has a tail at the bottom. Now the next letter we're going to see is k, k, that is kicking k. So we're going to start off from the top like this, a standing line. We come back up, give a small curve and go down as a slanting line. This is the kicking curve that we're going to write. So again, this is a head letter and a body letter. And the last letter in this set is the letter L. How do we write the letter L? It's very easy to write. It starts off from the top red line. We draw a straight line coming down and a small curve going upwards. Again, it's a head letter and a body letter. Now the next letter we are going to go to is the letter T. T is very similar to L. It starts from the top red line and we come down in a straight line and we give a small curve upwards and a sleeping line. That is the letter T. The next letter we are going to see is the letter H. So we are going to start from the top red line, come down and go up along the same line and give a downward curve and a small curve upward. So that is the letter. The next letter we're going to see is the letter R. So R is only a body letter. It starts from the blue line, come down, then come up along the same line and give a curve. This is the letter R. Now the next letter we're going to see is the letter N. It starts off the same way the letter R starts off. It starts with the blue line, coming down, then come up along the same line and give a downward curve and a small curve upward. So that is the letter N. Again, it's only a body letter. Now the next letter is M. Very similar to N. We have a standing line. We go up along the same line and give one curve, and we need to give one more curve and a small curve upwards, and that is the letter M. Now the next letter we are going to see is the letter P. So start with the blue line, come down towards the bottom, right down to the bottom red line, come up along the same line and give a belly to it. So that is the letter P. So this letter is a body letter and a tail letter. So the next letter coming up is the letter V. Again, V is very simple. It's very similar to its mama letter itself. It's the same, but it's only a little bit more smaller. So we start from the blue line, give a slanting line down and a slanting line up. It's the letter V. Then we have the letter V, V, V. So we have a slanting line down, slanting line up, slanting line down, slanting line up. That is the letter V, V, V. Next letter is X, X. So we have a slanting line down, down the mountain slanting line and down the mountain slanting line. Again, all these letters are body letters. Next we have the letter Z, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. That is the letter Z. Now the next letter is the letter A, A, A. So we need to start from the blue line, come down, give an upward curve, come down along the same line and give a small curve here. That is the letter A, A, A. So all the letters we've been seeing till now, all these letters are body letters. Now let's see one letter which becomes a tail letter, which is the letter Y. It starts just like A. We have upward curve. From here it becomes a little different. We have to draw along the same line, come all the way to the bottom and give it a tail. That is the letter Y. Now the last letter we are going to see is the letter S. Very easy letter to write. It's the same as the mama letter, only smaller. So we need to start a little bit from below the blue line and give a S. snake shape and go upward like this. And this is the letter S. So that completes our baby letters in precursive format. Thank you.